Assalamu alaikum viewers. Once again, we both are present in front of you to share some vocabulary words. So let's begin.
Okay, Talham. What is the meaning of squeeze?
Yes, the meaning of squeeze is nichorna. Like I want to use these words in a sentence. Ali squeeze the lemon.
Okay. What is the meaning of press?
Yes, the meaning of press is dabana. Press the button.
Okay. What is the meaning of ring?
Yes, the meaning of ring is marorna. Like ring my clothes well.
Okay. What is the meaning of crush?
Yeah, the meaning of crush is to break some things in a very small pieces. Like, don't crush the box. It has flowers in it.
Okay. What is the meaning of broken?
Yes, the meaning of broken is tutna. She has broken the bottle.
What is the meaning of crack?
Yes, the meaning of wreck is shagaf. Like, I want to use these words in a sentence. I opened the door a crack.
Okay. What is the meaning of scratch?
Yes, scratch means haroj. Like there is a scratch on TV screen.
What is the meaning of smash?
Yes, the meaning of smash is like torna. She smashed the plate with the hammer.
Okay. What is the meaning of crumple?
Yes, the meaning of crumple is pasahua. Like she crumpled the paper on her hand.
Okay. What is the meaning of chipped?
To break small pieces of some things. Like I want to give example of these words. Like the cup is chipped badly.